Hey, I'm still here. New York. I am not going no closer than that man or the news. Yeah, they watching me, watching them. Yeah, I guess it's bad. If you can see through the trees, that's as far as I'm going. My front yard, my people's front yard, my folks' front yard. That's that. But it's live right now. Yeah. I see the dirty copper moved. There goes the news. Probably Fox. That's dude though, man. What the fuck is wrong with him? Helicopter out here, but you can't see the helicopter because of the sun. I would take the dog to go be nosy, grab up all my little girls, and make them walk with me just to be nosy. I don't know. I think I might try that. I'm going to take the Chihuahua Terrier mix. I don't think I'm going to bring the King Corso Pit Bull Hound mix. I don't know. Even though he probably helped find him. Because he big and he digs. And he got a nose on him. So I don't think they're lost. So they just got to dig them out. Excuse me. Peace, y'all. I'm going to get back at you.